In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ATR indicator on TradingView. The ATR, or average true range, is one of the simplest ways to read market volatility. It doesn't tell you which way price will go, it just tells you how much it has been moving per bar. That makes it perfect for setting expectations about risk, position sizing, and whether the market is quiet or active. Start by opening TradingView and loading a chart for the market you want to analyze. Any symbol, any time frame works because ATR automatically adapts to what you're looking at. If you're new to the platform, the default layout is fine. Just make sure the main price chart is visible. Next, click the indicators button at the top. In the panel that opens, use the search bar and type ATR. In the results, choose average true range from the built-ins list. As soon as you click it, the indicator appears in its own pane below your chart as a single line. That line is the average of the true range over a set number of bars, 14 by default. Higher readings reflect larger bar-to-bar movement, while lower readings indicate quieter trading. Close the indicators panel so you can focus on the chart. You should see the ATR line clearly below your candles. Here's how to read it. When the ATR line is rising, volatility is increasing and candles tend to be larger, meaning price is covering more ground. When it's falling, volatility is contracting and moves are generally smaller, often more range-bound. If you hover over the ATR line, you'll see the current value. That number is the average movement for the time frame you're on in the instrument's own units. On a daily chart, an ATR of 2.5 on a stock means it has been moving about 2.5 points per day on average. On a 5-minute chart, the same logic applies, but per 5-minute bar. Use ATR as context rather than a signal. It won't tell you to buy or sell, but it will help you judge whether conditions suit your strategy, sanity check stop losses and profit targets, and avoid trading when ranges are unusually tight. Keep in mind that changing timeframes will change the ATR reading because it's calculated per bar, and switching symbols updates it automatically. That's all there is to it. Open a chart on TradingView, add average true range from indicators, close the panel, and read the volatility line with confidence.